Dear students, BA Part 2nd, Semester 3rd, Subject English Literature. In last video, we learned about life and works of an author, Robert Lind. In this video, we are going to learn detailed information about an essay on good resolutions. So, his present essay also reflects these qualities. Every new year, people take a lot of good resolutions. His neighbors and friends might discourage him by saying that the road to hell is paved with the good intention. So he explained here, in each year people decide to take new decision or good resolutions, but they are not able to complete it. So he told about three types of resolutions. Number one is easy, number second is difficult, number third is very difficult. So we will see here. Robert Lind lists three kinds of resolutions. Already we discussed. They are very easy, difficult resolutions which the author called the Himalaya resolution. So firstly, we will see here difficult resolution. Difficult resolution, it is called as Himalaya resolution. For instance, getting up early in the morning to exercise or the winning the trophy for the school football team. So, in these resolutions, writer told about some good habits. Means to wake up early morning, exercise properly, and to decide to win the trophy in football team in school. These good resolutions are likely they the dream and cannot fulfill. That is the one type of the dream, and it not fulfilled because of not practice continue. That's why. Common man cannot change his habit of getting up late in the boy has never played football. However, Robert Lind says the good resolutions are very delightful form of morality. Means good resolution is very important and it is a good part of morality. It is a good in the society. So we have follow the good resolutions, but can't complete. However, Robert Lind says that good resolutions are very delightful form of the morality, and we must encourage people to take more and more good resolution because this world is lack of moral qualities. That is a indicate moral quality. That's why it is the best. Good resolution are golden anticipation of the day's work, fresh and the shining and full of the soul. So good resolution is a good, it is a praise like the morning shining, like the morning air. It is a very clear or good. But some people take resolutions which are so silly and very easy to put into practice one's life. So here also some people take the gradually that resolution and they practice only once in the year. Means they don't practice of that good resolutions in properly in their life. These resolutions are the shameful and to be rejected. Like that also, these resolutions are shameful and after they automatically these are rejected. For example, going to bed before midnight, getting up before soon, giving up the tobacco. So they decide don't eat the tobacco, but after that also they eat the tobacco. Means they decide before sleeping don't eat tobacco, in noon don't eat tobacco, at night don't eat tobacco, but they can't do like that. Means they never break up his tobacco habit. Are some of the good resolutions, but even these resolutions are put into practice only from the tomorrow or next comfort to be got out of the thought that tomorrow and next new year will never come. The particular people decided we will keep the next tomorrow, means we will start good habit next tomorrow, after next tomorrow, but next tomorrow never come, and like that new year will be come. Robert Lynch says that good resolutions are the intelligent anticipation of events which do not take place. They are the April of virtue with the no September following. Like that, there is a good resolution. Means they are the April of the virtue. It is the best until April month. But in September month, people will forget about good resolution. In this way, writer says here means good habit is not properly gradually or going on. There is a breakup. Like that, he is telling here about good resolutions. Next, if you put into effect a good resolution once in a blue moon, so it is like the blue moon, and blue moon is looking nicely. When we see a blue moon, we will become the happy. So he also compare of good resolution with a blue moon. It gives us thrill and joy because of the novelty. So a good resolution gives the thrill and joy to people because there is a novelty, there is a new thing, and that good resolution is also best for our health. That's why it is a good. Because of the freshness and the silent beauty of morning before. But if you continue to do it, the thrill and joy will be worn out, only the habit is left. So we also follow that habit, continue. So that joy will be disappear like the blue moon. Means in day a blue moon will be disappear like that. Any good decision, if you do seldom enough, it is exactly experience and you get great joy out of it. So, like that, also we decide there is experience day by day, so we get the joy. Otherwise, not. In this context, Lynch quotes the story of the prodigal son in the Bible and says that when his prodigal son came back home, a grand reception was given to him by his father and even killed a battered calf. The here is writer has given the example from Bible about prodigal son. The here is the prodigal son came back home. Grand reception was given him by his father. Means his father gave his reception and he came back. And after that he killed a fatted calf. And he killed one calf. Calf means a small child of the cow. He killed. After that, what will be happen? But the following day he was not given such grand dinner. And after that, his father not gives like that dinner of the cow. Means that situation did not happen day by day. Means particular some few good habits will be give the joy. Similarly, if you do any good thing for the first day or two, we will get the thrill or joy. After that, it becomes the dull habit. The starting of the good habit will give the very joy, enjoy. But day by day, that habit will continue. Definitely, that joy will be reduced. That joy will be become dull like that. So this information we will get benefit in the university exam. So remember this information properly and utilize it and proper study exam point of view. In next video, we will learn next part of this essay. Thank you.